Well, this is a little tutorial video on how to add the different recipes to the map of the world that we are going to use in our project. The title of the map is Recipes from the World. And what you have to do here mainly is to visit this web page, Food in Every Country. Okay, choose a country, for instance, let's say Poland, food in Poland. Read the different characteristics of the gastronomy of this country and choose one of the dishes or typical dishes that you could find here in this web page. For instance, this dish bigos call our attention and we want to post it in our wall map, in our Padlet. Okay, so what we have to do is clicking here in this plus symbol, we can drag the marker to Poland, for instance, because the dish we are going to use or we are going to talk about is from Poland. So we drag the marker to that country, Poland. Here we are going to remove that title and we are going to add the title of our dish, which is going to be bigos, which is the name of the dish we are going to talk about. Okay, here we should include information about this dish in particular. For instance, the ingredients. Okay, ingredients. This information we could copy and paste directly from the web page. Okay, we can remove this, and then we have to add the method, how to cook it, or a description of the dish in particular, or any other information or anecdotes that we should have about this particular dish. Okay, what we have to do as well is to include a picture, an image of this dish. Okay, bigos. So we are going to look for bigos on Google images, and we have plenty of images to use. Remember, always try to use those images which are marked under the Creative Commons license. For instance, this one is published in Wikimedia Commons, so we could use it. You can check the license. You see is CC by 2.0. Okay, so we are free to use it for cultural purposes. So we copy the image, we go to our map, and we can paste it. We can set the cursor here and paste it. For that, we can use the Control V, you see, and then the image will show up here. Okay, so we already have more or less our recipe already posted in the map. So you can move around and check the other recipes from the world that the other groups have chosen and published. What you could do as well is to evaluate these other recipes from your peers adding uh, from 1 to 5 stars to the recipe that the other have chosen, regarding or taking into consideration the quality of the pictures, the ingredients they have included, the method, if they have included other anecdotes, and so on. So we can evaluate your other colleagues' recipes by this method. Okay. Well, that's very much it. I hope that you find this explanation clear and enough to publish your works on this map. Okay. See you soon. Bye.